So lowest price, but the highest value, do it today. So for the next 5 days or so, you're gonna see a new video, and each video will build upon each other to be able to fully help you and guide you of how to create a backyard living space for the lowest price, but the highest value. And starting right now, you're gonna be totally ready for spring. Make your DIY backyard a reality. Stop dreaming and start doing. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get a crystal clear vision of what we want. Now, there's a lot of ways to do this. People usually just get some inspiration and go from there, and they make mistakes. But what I want you to do is take the time and create a vision board. Now, right now, I don't want you to think too much about the price. I know I just said this is gonna be the lowest price, but right now, I just want you to get your overall vision thought through. So what do you want? The main goal is to get out into your outdoor space and have features and elements that will pull you and your guests out. So what is it for you, your family, and your friends? What will pull you out? That's the question I want you to ask yourself. So maybe it's a fireplace, maybe it's a fire pit, maybe it's a fire feature destination altogether. Maybe it's a covered structure, a game area, maybe it's a bar, a water feature, or even a simple hard surface destination that will pull you outside to live in the space. Think about all the things you want and then start going on social media. You can go on Pinterest. Pinterest is wonderful. You can go on houzz.com to get inspiration. But this inspiration is gonna lead to the vision that I want you to get. So go ahead and do that right now. So I did this too. When I thought about my backyard, I thought about all the things I wanted. I dreamed about my covered space. In fact, I dreamed about my hot tub, finally got my hot tub in. I dreamed about my sauna and painted the vision in my mind. And I love all of these destinations in my backyard. And that's what I want you to think about. Really take the time to plan out your vision. And that's what this whole video is about, getting that vision crystal clear in your mind. I don't want you to get intimidated as you're putting together your vision board. Remember that we're gonna talk about how to design your backyard space in one of the next videos and how to build all of these in one of the next videos. So don't get overly concerned about that at this time. Right now, we're just throwing anything on that vision board that attracts you. All right, so if you haven't done that, please take the time, even pause the video and start getting your vision together. So what's crazy about your vision board is you will start to see a pattern that's taking place. Things will start to look a lot alike. Colors will start to be very familiar. So you're gonna see maybe whites and blacks, maybe you're gonna see browns, maybe you're gonna see whatever color that you're attracted to, you're gonna start seeing that a lot on your vision board. You're also gonna start seeing a lot of the items that you're very attracted to, like your covered structure. Do you see a lot of gables? Maybe you see a lot of hip ridge, maybe you see a lot of lean-to styles. You're gonna start to see a pattern come together about what you're attracted to. And that's the same thing with everything, your outdoor kitchens, your fireplaces, your fire pits, your pools, if you want a pool. All these things will start to end up on that vision board, and you will start to pinpoint what you're attracted to. All right, so we're taking action, because I told you that if you take action right now, it will lead to the lowest price and the highest value for your backyard space. So the action that I want you to take, please, now that you've done your vision board, put below in the comments what are the top 3 items, the backyard items that you want in your backyard space. Take that action, because that little bit of action is gonna lead to the next video that's gonna really help us with the design of your backyard space. So please take that action right now. We wanna hear in the comments what 3 things you want for your space. So right now, again, we're just focused on the vision. Now I wanna say this, if you skip this part, you will see, in fact, you probably have seen a lot of people who just throw together a backyard space. They get ideas and they just start doing things without having a complete vision in their mind of what they want to do. And those jobs turn out to be a nightmare, both in a price, they cost way too much, but they're usually having to do it over again, and they don't have good flow. They don't have good design aesthetics, which we will talk about in the next video. So right now, just please focus on your vision. Get all of the items, the thoughts that you want on a board, and then we're gonna build on that in the next video. So stay tuned, and we're gonna talk all about how to turn that vision into a beautiful design in the next video. To sum up this video again, we're just focused on vision. Go to a platform like Pinterest, Houzz, or the internet, get all the images of all the things that you want, put them together on a board. You will start to see similarities and patterns. Grab the pattern that you think is best, and we're gonna use that for the next video all about design. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day.